Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can order food from Zomato. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Zomato app and you will be in this kind of interface. So now to order your food, all you need to do is simply scroll down below and choose any restaurants you want to order from, and once you tap it, you can simply select the item you want to order. So once you select your item, simply tap on the add section, and once you do this, tap on add item. After doing this, you can simply tap on one item added option, and then you can type in any coupons that you have, or if you don't have, then your total bill will be shown there. So simply verify your phone number, and once the verification of your phone number is done, you can proceed to the payment section and pay for your meal. So by following all the on-screen prompts given, you can simply order from Zomato. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.